right now it's much more windy here in the upper hills in Good Shepherd, Banawa, Cebu City. So we will see here the very great view of the city. So that one. So we will buy some drinks first, like water or juice, because it's so hot right now. So at least that we can do some tour more of this hill. So anyway, when it's around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. in the afternoon, is the winds of the trees and grasses are much more swaying because of the heat of the sun, because that's where they get their energy source from the sunlight. But if it's early in the morning, it's not that hot, but the winds are not that strong also, because when there's no sunlight, is that it's much more humid. So it's much more better that on top of the hill is that during the hours of the early afternoon, like 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so that it will be more windy. So if you want some cleansing for fresh air, is that this is the right time to go here. Even though it's a bit hot, but at least there's winds that is not causing humidity. So yeah, check out my outfit. It's 100% cotton, so that we cannot really feel the heat of the sun here.